and welcome to my classroom. First, I'd like to thank NSTA and Shell for naming me a district winner in the National Lab Contest. With the money, we were able to get some basics that we haven't had before, like test tube racks and digital scales, and we were also able to get some new graduated cylinders. We bought a protein synthesis manipulative, which is a topic that a lot of my students struggle with, so that's really going to help. And we also were able to get this inquiry-based lab on genetics. And thanks to Donors Choose, we were able to get 3 new microscopes, which we really needed because we only had 1 microscope before. We are very excited to have all of these new additions, however, we can still use so much more. We are a nonprofit high school and we operate mainly off of grants, and that means that I have no budget to buy materials with. So grants like these make my science classroom possible. I still have $1,000 left from the national grant, which I am planning on buying some vernier sensors, a LabQuest display, and a crash cart and track. However, $1,000 is not going to get me everything that I want when it comes to sensors in my physical science class. So with this grant, I am hoping to be able to purchase all of the sensors that I want, more than 1 display so I can have multiple groups working, and also to purchase a lab bench, because right now my students have to carry out labs at their desks and we can't differentiate between lab time and class time. With the remaining money, I would love to buy some more classroom basics, some curriculum, some inquiry-based labs, and hands-on models and manipulatives, because that's what my students have been asking for, and I currently can't provide them with it. I teach underserved students that for one reason or another were disengaged at the traditional high school, and they have found themselves here. I need to be able to give them a memorable and exciting science experience that they are going to remember, and right now marbles and ramps are not that engaging. I need to prepare them to have successful futures. So thank you for considering my classroom for this grant. It would be a fantastic honor to win it and to be able to give my students the education that they deserve.
I think Emerson should get the grant because the teachers help connect the students and make them actually want to learn, and it'll help us and students like me with our learning, and it'll help us look at cool things that we wouldn't be able to see without the stuff that we would like. And it's also a great school who deserves it because they put in the effort to help the kids before and after school.
I believe that they deserve the grant to put the money to the school and get more features and get more advanced to help out the students in a long way.